Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm not in uniform, as you can see. I did film this whole entire video the other day, and then I decided that I did not like it. Not that I didn't like it, but that I just didn't include a lot of information that I wanted to include. I kind of forgot some things, so I'm gonna sit down and film this really quick so I can throw something together for you guys. So I know I've been away for quite some time, and that was not intended. I just kind of had like a little seasonal depression, a little meltdown, if you will. And I just kind of dropped the ball on everything, and I'm sorry for that, but I'm back and I have so many exciting projects that I'm working on right now. And I can't wait to share those with you guys, and I think we're going to discuss all of that in this video. Okay, I'm taking these off because there's a glare. Anywho. Okay, so first things first, all of the projects that I discussed in my last update, I'm picking back up on those. So I'm still going to be working on your tissue culture starter kits. I'm still going to be working on creating plantlets in vitro for you guys. I'm going to be working on selling media, all that stuff. I did create an Etsy shop. And then I was informed that Etsy is actually going to start taking 10 to 20% of all sales, I believe, from what I understand. So, coming up with a backup plan, because I'm not doing that. But I'm probably just gonna create my own little online shop. So I will try to keep you guys posted with how that's going, but I will hopefully have the kits, the plantlets in vitro, and media going. In addition to that, I purchased several nodes this week, all monsteras, some albos, some different kinds, some that are spent, some that aren't. So I'm going to be doing a lot of experiments with those because I know so many people are interested in tissue culturing albos. Now, with that being said, albos are really tricky. Typically, you're going to get a lot of all green plants or a lot of all white plants. However, it is possible to still produce some variegated albos and tissue culture. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm also going to be attempting to force growth out of a spent node because that's a service that I would like to offer people if they end up accidentally purchasing a spent node. I've seen that happen so many times where people will buy a node not realizing that it's already spent, and then they're out that money. Also, I have teamed up with two really amazing women who are so knowledgeable and skilled with tissue culture, and I'm super excited. But we created our own Facebook group. It's a tissue culture buy sell trade. It's only for US members, so keep that in mind. But we are going to be hosting a live class on our Facebook group once a month. So you guys can all tune in and ask us your questions. But I will put a link to our Facebook group down below. So if you guys are interested, you can check that out and you can tune in to our monthly live classes, which I'm super excited for. I'm going to be including links to their socials. Ashley is on TikTok, and Ro, I believe, is on YouTube and TikTok. So I'm going to link those down below so you guys can check them out as well, because again, they are super knowledgeable and really great to help out. So I'll link those down below so you can check them out. Okay, real quick outfit change. That's because something really exciting happened between when I filmed the other portion of this video and now. I officially meet all the requirements to be a YouTube partner. So I am now part of the partnership program, which means I can now get compensated for my videos, which really just allows me to spend more time with YouTube, which is really exciting because, as much as I wish I could just give away all of my time to help you guys, at the end of the day, I am still a human. I have children, I have bills to pay. So I only have so much of my time to give away, but now that I'll be compensated for my videos, that helps me tremendously. And also it gives me access to the YouTube community subscription service. So I think in my last updates video, I talked about Patreon. And basically I'm going to be doing all of that just on YouTube instead. There will be a monthly subscription fee. I'm not quite sure what that fee will be just yet. I'm going to work on finalizing all the details this week, and then I'll probably post another video where I go into like all the details and explain exactly what will be on there. But basically it's going to be something that I check numerous times throughout the day. So that way I can really prioritize messages and people who are, really, really needing help right away. So you will get a quicker response from me. Those of you who have reached out to me on like Facebook or Instagram probably know that I take a very long time to get back. And that's just because I get hundreds of messages, literally hundreds of messages. And it's really hard to get to everybody, especially when I'm also doing my plant sales on Facebook. It just makes everything very complicated trying to help everybody. So basically what will happen is if you subscribe to the community page, then you will get more immediate access to a response from me. You will also get priority access to my plant sales. Anytime I have a plant sale, you guys will get first dibs. If I get enough subscribers, I would love to do like a weekly live. I don't know if it'll be like a live class or just like a live like Q&A, or I'll probably maybe do a poll in the group and see what you guys would like. But like I said, I'm going to work on finalizing all the details this week, and then I'll keep you guys posted on that. So stay tuned for that, and I'm super excited. I'm also working on purchasing some high ticket plants, if you will. I'm not going to say which ones just yet because I don't want to jinx it, but I have some really cool plants that I'm working on getting so I can get those going in tissue culture. With that being said, they are extremely expensive and funds are limited. So in order for me to keep these experiments going and to expand my business and my plant shop, I'm going to be linking my PayPal and my CashApp and my Venmo down below. And if you find it in your heart to donate, if these videos have been helpful, I would be so grateful for the contributions. So that will be linked down below, and if you can't, it's totally fine. I didn't start these videos to make money or anything like that. However, like I said, I want to be able to give you guys really good content. I want to give you guys good plants. My main goal with my whole tissue culture project was to make these plants as affordable as possible, and that's still my goal today, and I'm still striving towards that. So I want to keep investing in this and keep working towards that goal. But if you guys could help out, I would be so grateful. And again, if not, I'm just happy that you're here. And with that being said, I think that wraps up this video. I am going to be getting back to uploading weekly. I think the next video that I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys a sterilization process for a mother plant. I know I've only done sterilization for plantlets that were already in vitro, and a lot of you have asked for a video on how to take a sample from a mother plant. So since I am getting all these nodes this week, I think that's hopefully going to be the next video that I do. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!